Namaste friends, my name is Veddika Kannav. I am studying in 8th Mercury. Today I am going to show you some experiments on sound. But before starting with the experiments, can you tell why is National Science Day celebrated? Yes, Science Day is celebrated in India on 20th Feb to mark the discovery of Raman effect, which was discovered by the great physicist C.V. Raman. For this, he was awarded the most precious Nobel Prize in 1930. First National Science Day in India was celebrated on 20th February 1987. So now let's start with the experiment. In this experiment, we are going to see that when the air vibrates, sound is produced. Materials used: sandpaper, needle and a chart paper to make the cone. So now let's start. Now I am going to move this needle on this sandpaper. You can hear this sound. It is very low. Now we will make this chart paper's cone and then listen the sound once again. So now we have to make this cone in this manner. So our cone is ready. Now we have to insert this needle into the paper. So in this manner we have to insert the needle. Now let's listen the sound. The sound is louder now. More air is vibrated, the more sound is produced. When you just move the needle across the surface, the pointed end would catch on the rough place and spring free as you move your hand forward. This causes the needle to vibrate and produce a small sound. The paper cone has a much larger area, which allows more air to vibrate and thus louder sound is produced. When the sound wave passes through the air, each air molecule vibrates back and forth, hitting the neck next to it, which also vibrates back and forth. In this way, we have proved that when air is vibrated, sound is produced. This is used in a megaphone. Our second experiment is about frequency or pitch of sound wave. For this, materials used are straw and a scissor. So let's start. First, we have to press the straw like this. Then we have to cut this in a triangle shape. Now we have to blow this and see. Now cut this much length of the straw. Now cut it again. Now you can hear that sound is louder in the last small straw. With every cut of this straw, the vibrating air column length changes. The length of the vibrating air column determines the frequency or the pitch of the sound wave. The pitch of the sound is higher in the smaller straw because the air column inside the smaller straw is shorter. This is used in a flute. Thank you. In this experiment, we are going to see vibration of sounds. For that, materials used: a thread, thermocol ball and a mobile phone to play the music. statement of the thermocol ball is difference in loudness of sound is due to the difference in amplitude of the sound wave produced. Thank you.